Sorry, we'll say if you talk to him again, I will put you in handcuffs and you will go to jail. Okay?
You're going to arrest me for freedom of speech?
If you try to talk to him,
you're
yes
going to arrest me for freedom of speech. Tell me yes.
Yes, if you interfere with an investigation, I will arrest you.
You're going to violate my constitutional rights?
I'm not going to violate your rights, but you are in violation.
Interfering is a physical act. You better call Sergeant and get clued about it.
Sergeant's already coming.
Beautiful. Shut the up then. No tienes que constar nada.
All right, sir. Go and put your hands behind your back.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
So the guy that you're going to see get arrested literally gets arrested for speaking. He approaches a traffic stop and starts recording it. The cop that arrested him only has 6 weeks in the department, working for the department. His name is Bryce Gingery, if I'm pronouncing that right. I'm going to leave it down below here on the screen. This is the cop's name. I'm seeing the description here on this man's channel. Jose's channel. I'm going to leave his link down below in the description, guys. Yeah, so you're probably going to love the way this guy speaks to cops. Some of you, a lot of you are. I know some of you might think he's a little too harsh. I don't think he's too harsh. These cops got what they deserve, to be honest. Now, I'm going to drop his link, Jose's link, down below in the description. Make sure you go over there and show him some support. Subscribe. I shared one of his videos on my other channel, on the Justice for All channel. And I'm going to share this one here today, this body cam video on this channel today. He does get arrested. And it's pretty messed up because not only is that rookie cop a little tyrant, but along with the sergeant that shows up to the scene as well. Now, it's a shame how they think speaking to somebody in public is not freedom of speech, is actually interfering according to these cops. Make sure you pop your popcorns and roll one up.
PM or AM?
AM o PM? PM.
Okay, can we flip this way just so we don't have family doors?
¿Puedes voltear aquí?
Yes, no. When did you start drinking?
¿Cuándo empezaste a tomar?
Can I help you?
Might be one of those.
Don't shine a light at me. Can you help me?
Well, yeah, you're just looking into the patrol car to see if I can help you with anything.
Oh, no. I was just looking to see if I left something in there. Or see what you got in there.
Okay.
Contraband in there?
No?
Beautiful.
Hey, I'm gonna need you to back up, sir.
Oh, I'm good.
Okay?
I'm good right
If
here.
you interfere with my investigation, it is a crime, okay?
No, it's
Just
not.
back up. Okay?
Interference is a physical act.
Thank you.
Back up. Listen to her.
When did you stop drinking?
How's it going, sir?
Don't block my view. Don't block my view.
Okay. Well, we like to give these officers enough room to do their field sobriety exercises, okay? All right?
Don't get in my face.
So,
you know that what you're doing is a Bain Act, right? You're interfering with me recording.
I just don't want you to stand behind
I don't care
the other
what you want.
officer,
I don't care what you want.
because I just don't know your intent.
My intent is to record you, idiot. What do you think I'm doing?
You're more than allowed to record us.
Then don't block me.
Okay.
You know it is against the law, right?
No?
Well, you better find out quick.
Okay, people, so this is taking place here in the description on Jose's channel. It says Paso Robles, California, if I'm not mistaken, if that's how you pronounce it. That's why he said to the cop, what you're doing is it's a Bain Act. The Bain Act takes place in California, right? That's when somebody's interfering with your First Amendment right to record, pretty much. And me as an activist and as a cop watcher, this is not starting off. This is starting off not too good, this encounter already. And I can just already sense it. All because these coward cops don't know the difference between interfering and freedom of speech. And also because they don't really like the way that Jose is expressing his rights.
No tienes que si te hace preguntas, no tienes
So
que
you talking
contestar.
to him is interfering with my investigation. I'm gonna need you to stop.
Interfering
Right
is
now,
a
I'm asking
physical
you questions.
act, idiot.
Okay. You're messing
It's
with my
a
investigation.
physical act.
Okay, I'm asking him questions.
Shut the
Stay
up and do
quiet.
your job.
I am. I'm trying to.
Shut the up and do your job. No tienes que contestar nada. No tienes que contestar nada.
Sir,
Mira, no
Sir.
tienes que contestar nada.
stop talking to him.
I could talk to whoever I want.
If you
Freedom
talk
of
to him,
speech.
I will put you in handcuffs and you
freedom
will
of-
be under arrest for resisting and delaying and obstructing an investigation.
Freedom of speech. You know
I'm
what
just
freedom of
asking
speech
you
is?
To let the officers
Freedom
do
of
it.
speech. You know what freedom of speech is?
I do.
Do you know what freedom of speech is?
You are
You'll be
allowed to
violating
film.
my First Amendment constitutional
You're allowed to film.
right. I
But
know
since
I am
we're
allowed to
doing an
film, and I am
investigation,
allowed to also
I'm asking
speak.
you to not
I am
talk
allowed
to
to
him.
speak.
Okay.
I am allowed to speak. That is a First Amendment constitutional
You are
right.
allowed to talk, but not to him right now because he
Shut the f up.
is
Shut
during
the
an
Up.
investigation.
There's no
Okay.
investigation. You're fucking
is an
fishing. You're
investigation.
fishing.
Okay.
That's called fishing.
I'm sorry you feel
Harassing
that
the
way.
public.
Okay.
I just heard you guys
You're
fucking
allowed
tackled
to-
somebody down there.
You're allowed
And it
to
was the
film.
wrong person. Shut the fuck up.
Okay.
Get out of my face.
I'm gonna stand right here, sir.
Then stand right there. You can stand right there. I'm going to stand right here. And learn the fucking law and interfering with your activity. What the fuck is wrong with you?
Sorry, we'll say if you talk to him again, I will
Shut
put you
the
in
fuck
handcuffs
up.
and you will go
Shut
to jail.
the fuck up.
Okay.
Handicap?
You're going to arrest me for freedom of speech?
If you try to talk to
You're
him,
going
yes
to
again.
arrest me for freedom of speech? Tell me yes.
Yes, if you interfere
You know
with an
that is
investigation, I will
you're going to
arrest you.
violate my constitutional rights?
I'm not going to violate your rights, but you are in
Interfering
violation.
is a physical act. You better call sergeant and fucking get clued about it.
Sergeant's already coming.
Beautiful.
Medication?
Shut the f up then.
¿Has tomado unos medicamentos?
No tienes que constar nada.
All right, sir. Go ahead and put your hands behind your back.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Find you there.
Don't break my hands. Don't break my arms.
We're not breaking your hands.
You know they're doing it wrong, right?
I'll go 10-15.
Okay.
All right, come on over here for me.
59.97.
Put my phone. Dude, you cannot. You cannot. Don't be aggressive with me.
Well, do
Don't
not
be
pull away
aggressive
from me,
with
sir.
I
I'm just
didn't
going to
pull
put
away
you over
from
here in this car.
You cannot
and you're
turn
gonna have
off
a
my
seat.
fucking phone, you piece of shit.
We're going to turn it off.
You cannot turn it off.
Hold on, what's in your hand? Let me see.
My keys.
Okay, so
my
I'm gonna-
car's
I'm
parked
gonna
over
grab
there.
one
My
from
car's
you.
parked over there,
Okay.
and my dog's in it.
Okay. And what's your car so we can get your dog for you?
Don't worry about it, man.
Okay.
You can have a lawsuit, dude. You fucking have to have a lawsuit on your ass.
Okay.
Hey, Jose, is there anything on you that's going to focus or stick
No.
us? Needles, knives, guns?
I don't answer questions.
All right, Jose. You are under arrest for Penal Code 148A1, which is...
Do you know what 148.G is? I have the right to record you guys.
You do have the right to record us.
And interfering is a physical act.
It is
You're
not.
going to be educated right now, brother.
It is not.
You're going to be educated right
I'm
now.
just watching while I open the door.
Yep, you're good.
You know you're interfering with my
Jose, do you
Right.
want me to call someone for your
You
dog?
just violated
All right, Jose. Have a seat for me.
my right. Yeah.
Thank
Call
you,
my
Jose.
nephew. Tell him to come pick up my dog in my car.
Okay.
This handcuff right here is a little tight. Loosen it up
This
like
one?
the other one.
All right, I'll take a look at it right now.
Do you know his number off memory, Jose?
I can
you on my
fit
phone?
a whole entire
This is my
finger in that
phone.
one
No,
and a
I-
fingertip in the other one.
I don't know his number. I have it in my phone.
All right, Jose,
If you
have a
let
seat for me.
If you can let me dial it out, I'll have him come pick up my
Can you give that to Shane?
have him come pick up my dog in my car.
All right, which
You
car's
have
yours
just
so I
blown
know
it,
which...
dude. You have just blown it.
Which car is
You
it?
have just blown it, dude.
Which car do you
It's a
have?
Blue Beamer over there.
Blue
And
Beamer?
I heard you guys just tackled somebody off
Okay.
the
All right, hang tight for me.
All right. What's your name and badge number?
I'm Officer Gendry, badge
Where's my phone? Where's my
1653.
phone and all my bullshit?
This is his stuff. I'm going to go back to this investigation.
Stuff right
Hey.
here. I'm grabbing your change off the car, and we're going to take
Gomez.
care of your dog
Gomez.
as well as your vehicle.
Is your name Gomez? I want my phone so I can call my nephew.
If you give me his phone number, I'd be more than happy to
It's
call
in
him
my
to
phone.
come grab your dog.
It's in my phone.
It's in your phone? Okay. Well, let me grab
You just fucking blew it,
your
man.
phone. All right. Hang tight for me.
You just blew it. You violated the First Amendment of the Constitution.
Okay, people, let me make this clear. They didn't arrest him for recording. They didn't arrest him because he was too close. They didn't arrest him because he was cussing out the cops. They literally arrested him because he told the detainee, you don't have to answer questions. Now, can somebody please tell me how is that interfering?
Okay.
Handicap?
You're gonna arrest me for freedom of speech?
If you try to talk to
You're
him,
gonna
yes again.
arrest me for freedom of speech? Tell me yes.
Yes, if you interfere
You know
with an
that is
investigation, I will
you're gonna
arrest you.
violate my constitutional rights.
I'm not going to violate your rights, but you are in
Interfering
violation.
is a physical act. You better call sergeant and get clued about it.
Sergeant's already coming.
Beautiful.
Medication?
Shut the f up then.
¿Has tomado unos medicamentos?
No tienes que constar nada.
All right, sir. Go ahead and put your hands behind your back.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Find you there.
Don't break my hands.
There it is. All right, Jose, I got your GoPro and your phone right here. All right.
Don't turn off my GoPro.
Your GoPro's already turned off.
That's a violation of my rights.
Okay.
You guys are fucking idiots. That's why I'm out here doing what I do.
Well, I do have my body camera going, and I do have a cage camera going in here.
According to your body camera, I gotta get a fucking attorney to get fucking to be able to get any film or any footage off that.
Okay, so I'm gonna be right here with you so you can see it. How do I get in to call your nephew to come grab your dog? Just so I don't have to impound your dog, right?
Open the phone up, hit the little button again,
Okay.
swipe it up,
Okay.
go under where text is. Text.
Text.
Yes.
Okay.
Look for Richard right there. Richard right there.
Right there.
Yes. Hit that.
Okay.
Now hit the phone. Phone on top.
I'll put it on speaker. All right.
This guy just arrested me over here on, what's the street right here? What's the street?
You are on 22nd and Pine.
22nd and Pine. Over here on 22nd and Pine. Maybe on 23rd. Come and get my dog in my car.
Okay, I'll be right there.
Right now, because Petunia's in there and they want to take her to the impound. She's not going to be able to go to the impound.
All right,
This guy arrested me for freedom of speech.
For what?
For freedom of speech. He
Okay,
said I was
I'll be right
interfering
there.
by talking.
All right.
All right, Richard. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Are they trying to tow the car, or can I just get the dog?
You can get the dog. We're gonna impound the car.
Get the, well, for what?
Well,
For
you're
what?
under arrest, so your car's gonna be impounded.
No, no.
All right, Richard. Thank you for coming.
Where's your sergeant? Give me your sergeant right now.
My sergeant is right there.
Hi there, Jose.
Freedom of speech. You know what's going on, brother. He needs to release me right now. You don't want to do this.
So
It's not what you want to do.
Actually, I
Freedom
grabbed
of
the car
speech.
keys, sorry.
I have every right to speak. Interference is a physical act. I need to be in between you and your detainee, which he is not detained. He's only being questioned.
So that's not true. You can't
It is
get between
true.
us and the detainee.
What's that?
You cannot get between us and the
Have 97 clear for 28. Hi, Bobby. Something along the lines of "fuck you," I can do whatever I want. So I walked towards him. I probably got within a foot of him. I said, "Sir, back up."
He was where Gomez like to the suspect.
No, like just probably 2 feet away off to the left.
What I mean though, like that distance in reference to Stewart or to the suspect.
I would say to the suspect.
Okay.
Stewart even had to stop his investigation 2 to 3 times to tell him to, hey, stop, because
He was that close to our suspect that we're interviewing, right?
Yeah, he got
Okay.
close. We told him to back up, so I used myself as a barrier, and he started trying to walk around me. And I just said no, kept cussing at me. And then he started talking in Spanish to him. Stewart had to stop and be like, hey, you can't talk to him. He's in investigation right now. I intervened again. He started cussing at me again. And then afterwards, he started talking to him again for the second time. I told him to knock it off, and that if he were to do it again, he would go to jail.
Okay.
And I gave him about 5-10 seconds. He started talking to him again, and then that's when I placed him under arrest.
Where's his car at?
Right there, in the corner.
We'll ask him once about his car.
Well, his brother's coming to pick up the dog.
If he wants to turn his car over to someone, we'll turn it over.
All right.
His brother's Richard. I heard you on the phone say something to Richard, right?
Yeah.
All right.
I think I told him Pine and 22nd out Park, so I gotta go call Richard again.
Oh, that's all right. Let me go talk to him.
All
I
right.
just want to get a base because he's obviously trying to debate it.
All right.
So that way I can.
Well, if he comes grabs the car, then I'll just put the dog back there, and then. All right. How many times would you say you had to stop and talk to Jose to get him to stop talking to your guy?
He didn't stop talking, but I tried probably at least 3-4 times.
Yeah.
And I kept telling him you're interfering with my investigation because he kept trying to talk to the suspect. That's what I
Yeah.
was worried about.
And then you heard me tell him, hey, if you don't, you're going to jail. Okay.
Opportunity to argue that will be important. That's how that works. We have no problem with you
Freedom
video.
of speech. I have freedom of speech.
Jose.
This is considered freedom of speech.
Jose, we have no problem with you recording, but let me ask you something separate real quick so we can handle some business we can handle. Your car. Did you have your brother come to pick your dog up, right?
My nephew.
Nephew, do you want your car to go with your nephew?
Yes.
Do you have the keys for him on you? Or?
They took him already.
I have
Okay. We'll make sure we get those keys to your nephew if that's what you want. And what was your
How'd
nephew's
you
name?
get my dog without him biting you?
He's friendly, it seems like.
He was nice to me. He liked me.
Shit, I'm surprised.
And what was your nephew's name again?
Richard.
Richard what?
Richard Navarro. Richard.
All right, so we'll turn your car over to Richard Navarro. Is there anything else you want to go with him besides your car and your dog?
Just that. No.
Okay.
And my wallet. I want my wallet to go with him.
You want your wallet to go with him?
Okay.
What
How am I
about
going to get bailed out?
I gotta call Richard again because I told him Pine and 21st. It's actually Park and 21st.
Yeah, he'll be at the wrong street over.
So can I call him again on your phone?
Yes.
All right, I'll let you watch so you know what I'm doing on your phone. All right.
Do not let my dog loose.
Nope. He's on the leash right now. Yeah.
Once you're done with that, can you roll that window up, please?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
This guy over to you. He didn't actually bite me. He actually had no problem with me. So, Jose wants you to take his wallet, his GoPro,
Okay.
the dog, and then his car's parked right there on the corner.
Okay.
The blue BMW.
They're gonna tow it? Or?
Well, so we're giving him the option. We were going to tow it, but we're going to be kind to him and let him pick who takes it. And so he
Okay.
wants you to possess it.
Okay.
So the windows are rolled down, so you're going to want to go check that. But let me give you his GoPro
Okay.
and his wallet. This is Richard, right, Jose?
Leave my wallet because I need to bail myself out.
Okay, so your GoPro, you want to go to Richard, right?
Yes.
And this is Richard?
There's a couple of
Yeah.
groceries in the back. Take them in the house, please.
All right.
And just lock my car up and put the dog in my house.
So your phone, some change, and a wallet.
All right. Where's
All
he going? Right here to Paso?
We're still deciding if he's going to go fast or slow.
He's going to probably take me to slow. He just
That one's up to my sergeant.
He just violated my First Amendment right. Freedom
What
of
did he
speech.
do? What did he do?
Freedom of speech.
If he wants to tell you afterwards, he can tell you. It'll also be in a police report, too. It's all public. You could pull it if you wanted to.
So this isn't the first time that Jose and these cops have an interaction together. They have history pretty much, and according to Jose and his other videos, it hasn't been pretty. So these cops know exactly who Jose is, and that's why they arrested him pretty much. You know, for interfering. I mean, come on, man. They're using that because he's a cop watcher, and they don't like the way that Jose speaks to them. You know, it is his right to speak to cops that way. It is your right to cuss out police, to even antagonize the police, to put it in those words. It's not illegal, you know, but there's a way to do things. I understand, especially when you're out recording the cops and recording the government. The more cool, calm, and collected you are, the better it looks on your end, especially if you got to fight these type of cases in court. But hey, we all learn from our own videos. That's for sure. I sure do. And again, let me know what you think about this one in the comment section, guys. Thanks for tuning in to the end of this video. I'll make sure to drop Jose's link again down below in the description. Go give him a subscribe. Go watch some of his videos. Show him support, guys. He is standing up for your rights as well. It's not easy when you're facing tyranny and tyrants like this, especially out in the streets like that. And I give him a lot of credit for having the courage for him to go out there and do what he does, to put it in those words, right? So thanks again, guys, and we'll see you on the next video. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget, rest in peace, Jay Surreal.